Hi everyone, how are you today? So, medyo matagal na naman tayong hindi nakapag-upload pero I'm sure ngayong pag-upload natin is meron kayong matututunan kasi most of you guys hindi alam kung paano gawin pag ito po yung mangyayari sa flight nyo. At hindi po talaga ito may iwasan lalo na pag yung panahon during your travel is mabagyo lalo na ngayong palapit na ang Burr months, may paparating na namang mga bagyo guys. So dapat itong share ko sa inyo ay napanood nyo na bago pa mangyari sa inyong biyahe. Yung iba nagpapanik pag nagkakaroon sila ng cancellation during their flight at the airport. Kasi yung parang biglaan lang na like yung iba meron silang pupuntahan pa or other destination like connecting, yun yung napakahirap. And then may another flight ka pa especially for the international flight. So ito po yung kailangan nyong gawin at kailangan nyong malaman para po maging kalmado kayo if you will experience this during your flight na maka-cancel po siya on the spot. First is check your flight status. You can do this on the airline's website or app or by calling the airline's customer service number. Naituro ko na po ito kung paano mag-check ng flight status. You can check the video by searching in the YouTube. I-search nyo lang po, Flight Status Tutorial by Agent Lenny. Lalabas lang po yun. Yun po yung first nyong gawin bago kayo magbiyahe para safe po kayo. Like hindi nyo kasi alam, minsan nagkaroon pala ng changes yung flight nyo. So, dapat a day before pa lang na-check nyo na po yung flight status nyo. Makikita nyo naman po yun yung flight nyo if ever for that day, for the next day, kung ano pa ba siya, kung ongoing pa ba, nagkaroon ba ng changes, yun guys. So next, contact the airlines. Once you've confirmed that your flight is cancelled, contact the airlines. They will be able to help you rebook your flight or get a refund. So ito naman, sa may mga agent naman, sila na din po yung bahala. Pero sa mga nag-DIY po, yes, contact the airlines immediately. Kasi pag hindi nyo sila makontak and nagkaroon po ng changes ng flight nyo which is tuloy siya on the next hour at hindi nyo yun masakyan, forfeited po yun siya guys. So, kailangan na paalam nyo po na hindi po kayo sasakay or na check nyo din po yung cancellation para ma-change nyo agad yung mga time nyo. So, you can request a rebook or a refund. Ito naman yung rebook. Itatakal natin ito sa next vlog natin. And about naman po sa refund, hindi po lahat ng airlines is nagkakaroon ng full refund. Yes, merong refund, pero may bawas na po yun. As I said before, if you will ask for a refund, except po sa matagal, is babawasan po yun ng airlines ng kanilang charges. Like, yung iba, hindi na, like promo guys ha, hindi na yun siya binabalik ng buo. May mga kinakaltas na doon yung mga airlines. And then, especially in the travel agency, kaltas na din yung kanilang service charge doon bago pa may refund sa inyo. So, ask for a refund if you are not able to rebook your flight. You are entitled to a refund. The airline's policies on refund will vary, so be sure to check with them. So, ito nga sabi ko, iba-iba po yung refund policy ng mga airlines. Like in Cebu Pacific, depende po kasi kung anong klase or bakit cancel yung flight nyo, kailangan na ano po doon, na state nyo po ng maayos. Pero kung ito ay nagkaroon ng changes due to weather condition or sila po yung nag-cancel, so refund is approved to them. Pero kung kayo lang po yung nag-cancel, ito po yung mali ng iba. Akala nila ma-refund pag sila po yung magka-cancel ng flight, which is hindi po siya advisable na kayo magka-cancel kasi non-refundable ang ticket, non-rebookable din if ever kayo lang po yung gagalaw ng ticket nyo. So, make sure, hintayin po yung airlines cancellation. Sila lang po yung pwedeng mag-cancel like pag bagyo. Yun po yung medyo unfair pag bumibili kayo ng ticket, diba? Na ang airlines is allowed to cancel pero kayo na passenger, hindi kayo allowed to cancel your flight. Bali, hindi na siya ma-refund. Diba sila lang yung magkakaroon ng changes. So next, consider travel insurance. Ito yung iba, hindi sila kumukuha, which is parang dagdag bayad lang naman talaga siya. Pero sa iba, like may mga international, get the travel insurance. Kasi nga, if you have travel insurance, you may be able to claim a refund for non-refundable flight expenses. Depende din sa klase ng travel insurance na kinuha nyo. So, pero safe din kung may insurance kayo kasi maraming mga parang malaki yung babalik sa inyo if ever ganon yung kinuha yung travel insurance. Parang minsan doble pa siya, guys. Depende din yun sa airlines po. Kung acceptable nila yung travel insurance yun na yan at under them or parang registered yung travel insurance na yan para sa airlines or partner, parang ganun siya. Dapat po is din po, aware din po kayo doon, hindi lang basta kuha kayo ng travel insurance, make sure din na partner din po yun siya ng airlines na approve sa kanila yung about sa insurance na yan. So next, make alternative travel arrangement if you cannot get a refund or rebook your flight. Ito ngayon sinasabi ko, diba? Na-state naman dito na hindi naman talaga lahat is na-refund, na-rebook. Iba po kasi yung choices ng mga airlines. So better to ask the airlines kung ano po yung maging choices nyo ngayon. Kasi like in 2024, iba na po yung mga rules. At ngayon 2023, marami na po talagang nagbago. Sobra po. Hindi na po siya gaya before. As I said nga, time to time, check the airlines rules and regulation because it may change. Hindi po siya kagaya ng rules sa Philippines or constitution at talagang ganyan na yan. Pero yung mga rules po sa airlines and airport, pwede po talagang maiba time to time. So, alternative travel arrangement. So, ibig sabihin nito is, kung ako, ang suggest ko po sa inyo, pumili kayo ng airline sa destination nyo na maraming choices. Kasi what if makancel yung flight na yan? Meron kasing mga gano'n na isa lang po yung biyahe talaga nila sa date na yan. So, better choose the airlines na marami pong biyahe sa date na yon. So, ito pa po yung some additional tips para po sa mga on-the-spot flight cancellation. If your flight is canceled due to weather, you are generally not entitled to a refund. However, the airlines may be able to offer you a travel voucher or other compensation. Ito naman is depende. So, dito sa state na to is iba-iba din na, like may airlines din talaga na kapag weather condition is free nila lahat. Free rebook. They can refund also. They can give you accommodation and food. Everything, guys. Siguro kilala nyo na kung ano yung mga airlines na yun. Then, meron din namang airlines na nadidelayed or nakakancel due to weather condition na talagang pababayaan lang kayo. Kasi wala silang magawa. Kasi weather condition nga daw yun eh. Hindi nila hawak yung weather, which is dapat the airlines will be ready. Dapat yung airlines is ready po talaga sa mga panahong ganun, di ba? Dapat alam na nila na since nasa airline industry po sila is may prepare na po sila compensation about the weather condition or mga unexpected na happenings or unexpected cancellation here in the Philippines or kung saan man po yan. Na yung mga airlines po talaga kapag cancel po due to weather condition, may iba nga, yun nga sabi ko, nag-refund. So, eto naman is mako-confirm nyo naman, except sa nag-a-announce po sila, is meron din po sa Google, just search your airlines or kahit po dun sa website ng airlines na yun, kung ano ba yung magiging choices nyo if ever na-cancel na due to weather condition. Pero in my experience, so ito po yung nangyayari, in AirAsia, pag naman weather condition, subject naman to rebook, refund, and meron po silang tinatawag na travel credit. And also in Cebu Pacific, also refund, rebook, and travel fund. And also in Philippine Airlines, they have foods, accommodation, plus may free ticket pa po sila minsan. So, depende po kasi yung kung gaano katagal yung minsan nga kahit delayed lang eh. So, depende kung yung cancellation po is sobrang. So, depende din po minsan minsan yung cancellation is for a day. So, meron silang pa free ticket. So, yun lang kagandahan sa Philippine Airlines. Then, meron na ding nag-post na na-cancel siya. And then, ang compensation niya, one of his or her compensation is a free ticket. So, if your flight is canceled due to an airline's operational reason, you are entitled also to a refund. So, if you are already at the airport when your flight is canceled, the airline is required to provide you with food, hotel accommodation, and transportation to your destination. Yan po yung sinasabi ko na during your flight canceled, so dapat talaga ang airlines is may offer sila ng mga ganito, food, hotel, and accommodation, and the transportation. So, wag kayong kabahan pag makancel po yung flight nyo during the day or on the spot. At eto guys, tips lang. So, eto guys, may tips ako sa inyo, lalo na po dun sa mga nag-i-international flight na dadaan pa po ng domestic. Better guys na a day before, from domestic pa po kayo, a day before kayo magbabiyahe, like flight nyo ngayon sa international, dapat kinabukasan nandun na po kayo sa airport para iwas din po kasi yun if ever may canceled kayo. Pero kung yung nabili yung ticket is diretso or yung tinatawag nilang yung isang ticket lang kayo na like connecting ka in just one ticket, safe ka doon if ever makancel po yung first flight mo. Free po yung rebook sa second flight. Pero eto naman guys, pag naman kayo ay bumili ng separate ticket, like for example sa akin kayo bumili ng domestic, then bumili kayo ng international dun sa isang friend nyo. So, ayun, mahihirapan kayo if ever cancel po yung first flight nyo. Lagi ko pong sinasabi, much better to get the connecting flight na isa lang po yung ticket. Para whatever happened on your first flight, affected po yung second flight mo, which is marirebook mo siya for free. Yun po yung advantage ng connecting flight. So, that's all for today. Sana po may natutunan kayo sa ating video. If you have question, you can comment down below. I suggest also more videos. At gagawin ko po yan on our next vlog. Pipili po ako ng gagawin nating video. It depends on your comment, question. So, yun guys. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.